it's Beck from Urban Revolution here. Welcome to Djilba. We are in now August and September, which traditionally are the coldest months of the year. We get the really cool, crisp nights, so you still got to watch out for frost if you're in one of those areas. But we still got a bit of rain, so it's a good chance to still get some trees in that you'd like to get in established before summer. There's also still lots you can be doing in the garden as far as planting your seeds as well. So carrots, beetroots, greens, mustards, all those sorts of things can still be planted directly into the ground. If you'd really want to get a jump start on your summer crops, you can start doing those inside in things like our seedling flats, newspaper pots, or little coir pots. Get a little bit of seed raising mix. And the beauty about these, especially the seed raising flats, is you can move them to where you need the sun or the rain to water them. We've also got a new edition of Pip magazine in store. Beautiful cover, and that's also got a really handy sowing guide as to what you can start sowing now, but also what you can prepare for the coming seasons. We've also got our fabulous tree guards. As I said, you can still get your trees in for to get established with what winter rains are left before the heat of the summer. And these are just great for supporting your trees, particularly if you're in areas where you may have pesky little critters like rabbits or kangaroos that might like to nibble or ring bark your trees. This will protect them, and it stays strong to keep your trees giving a good start to life. So yeah, hopefully we'll see you in store. We've got our extensive seed catalogue. We are getting some more seeds in shortly, but you're always welcome to come in. We've got our little handy seed guide, which we'll give you to put on your fridge to help you pick the seeds that you want to sow. And hopefully we'll see you in store soon.